My potato plant had a blowout. I'll show you what I mean. Look at that. It blew out the side of the cup. Now I'm not able to put water in there. If I put water in it, it's just gonna pour right out. So I'm gonna have to take this potato. Look how much it's grown. Oh, there's a stink bug. A dinky buggy. Man, I'm gonna have to take this potato out of this cup and put him in something else. Well, I think he's, yeah, I can feel it, and it's got something growing right there. I'm trying to push out on it. Yeah, it's not going to hold water in there anymore, so I definitely gotta do something about that. Where'd my stink bug go? Oh, there he is. Dink bug, dinky bug. See him? I wonder when I'm going to put that in. I gotta find something else to put that in. I need like a planter with some good compost potting soil, good dirt. You think I should put that in another pot with some good soil? You do? Okay, I guess that's what I'm going to have to do then.